Tips to make affiliate marketing more effective. If you are looking for a solution to your money problems, affiliate marketing could be your answer. However, do not be fooled by thinking affiliate marketing will not require much work on your part. The truth is that it requires a good bit of work if you really want to make serious money doing it. You will find some tips below to assist you. Track all of the clicks on your affiliate links. Once you identify your traffic source, you can pinpoint what marketing strategies are the most effective at bringing in profits. If you track things like the number of views and click rates on an affiliate link, you will be able to see what works. Focus on the products that yield results. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for affiliate companies that offer lifetime commissions. This will save you from losing commissions due to the time limit the affiliate company sets between the time that a visitor is referred from you to their company and when that particular visitor makes a purchase. Always stay relevant. Make sure your content is based off the unique business goals you have in mind, and keep it that way. If you are wanting to increase sales to an affiliate, for example, talking about a completely different product or business will result in confusion from your potential audience. To make the most money on your affiliate marketing program, you should work with companies that offer a large selection of tools to help you build your business. Many companies have a number of different banners and text ads to pick from so that you can find ones that are more tailored to your website. Make a strong attempt to cut down on your too good to be true offers on your webpage. Sometimes, this can appear as illegitimate, as the average visitor may watch this as a scam. Stick to the description of the product you offer and explain exactly what the customer will receive. Blogs are a great way to make money. If you do it right, affiliate marketing can really pay off. Blogs are a great way to give details about a company's products. A company may not have room on their website catalog to give you the information you need. Giving first-hand usage information can pay off. Free shipping or delivery is a major incentive for your customers. If your business lacks the financial resources to do this, consider offering combined shipping to save your customers money and drive sales. When designing an internet marketing campaign or mailer with this information, include the phrase free shipping in the subject line of the email. This statement is often all it takes to get a recipient to open the message. As you can see, it is possible to be successful with affiliate marketing, but it requires a lot of discipline. You need to take these pieces of advice to heart, and learn how you can apply them to be successful. If you do not have the discipline to do this, then do not bother with affiliate marketing. However, if you do have the discipline, then go for it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.